Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a custom order on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. So that will take you into this page, and of course from that page if you are logged in into your account, you'll find the welcome back sentence with your name, of course, here, or your username. Or if you are not logged in into your account, or if you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner a sign in option. If you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account or create an account if you don't have one. It will be quicker if you used like logging in or creating with a Google account, Facebook account, or even an Apple account. And if you even don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So once you did one of those options, logging in or creating your account, you'll find, as we said, the welcome back sentence with this home page. And of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, if you want to do a custom order to your shop or to add it to your shop, simply just go to the shop manager at the top right corner from here. And of course, from the shop manager, you'd like to go to the settings option at the left here. Click on it, then go to options. From here, you would like to enable under custom order requests, which is here is it. Just enable this option. So of course, that will let buyer know that you accept custom order requests, and of course, you customers will be able to request some custom order, right? That's what it's all about. So of course, once you change it, you will need to save at the bottom page, and you will be good to go. As you can see, when you save, your shop change has been saved. So for me, I don't want this. I'm just going to let it disable. And that will be it. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching again, and goodbye.